Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. I've seen in the comments that several people are looking for part-time roles, so that is what I have for you today. This one is a very high-paying part-time job. If you have the skills, they don't require any kind of a college degree, so let's just dive on in. Of course, the links, if you're interested in applying, are always in the YouTube description box below the video. You may have seen or heard of Skillshare. I know it has been advertised in multiple ads across YouTube itself. They are an education platform that hosts different classes, video classes that you can pay for a monthly subscription to and take all the classes that you want. They are hiring a brand operations coordinator. Now, this is a contract 1099 role, and they are looking for someone to do part-time 20 hours per week. But you'll be responsible for the day-to-day operations of support and identifying process improvements across the brand and social team. You'll make sure that projects and campaigns are completed and delivered on time and stay on budget. You'll be supporting the internal communications for brand and social teams, including team updates, scheduling, and facilitating the team meetings. You'll set up ad hoc and recurring meetings, capturing discussion and following up on identified stakeholders on next steps and open questions. You'll develop documentation and communication. You'll lead planning and delivery of campaigns and social assets. And of course, you'll support Skillshare's YouTube presence by identifying any trending topics. Now, again, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They're looking for someone who has great organization and great attention to detail, someone who has an understanding of how digital marketing works, familiar with marketing across all kinds of social media platforms, including TikTok, YouTube, all the things these days, great communication skills, and great troubleshooting skills. Now, ideally, they would like someone who has 1 to 2 years of working experience in marketing or with some kind of brand or content team. Now, if that is you, they are paying anywhere between $40 and $50 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.